Eager and talented people can master technical competence, but that doesn't guarantee leadership competence. Companies are desperate to find proactive workers ready to step up and lead. Today's work environment is dynamic and complex. Fast developing technology is taking over human functions, making the technical skills less valuable and the higher level human skills more important. The current educational system is largely ineffective and inefficient in time and resources. Even online education tends to be talking heads or graphic presentations and mostly one-way communication. A flood of knowledge is instantly available with just a Google search, but the challenge is sorting out the relevant from the trivial. Simple certificates of paper that say MBA or PhD don't count as much as the ability to collaborate with others for a meaningful purpose, to put knowledge into action, to make a difference for good in the world. The Academy brings together like-minded, high-performance individuals to challenge each other to rise to the next level. The real value comes from the face-to-face interaction and problem-solving in practical projects, guided by a challenger coach with fearless peer feedback that pushes us through personal barriers. In the drive to deliver, teammates form strong, lasting bonds that reach into a better future. Lifelong access to our alumni site keeps our exceptional community continuously connected. If you want to be a part of this movement for meaningful change, I encourage you to apply. Thank you.